Welcome to our guide on balancing human touch with technological efficiency. In today's business landscape, it's not about choosing one over the other. It's about understanding the core of why people connect, why they choose to engage, and how technology can enhance, not replace, that essential human element. In today's fast-paced world, it's crucial to combine the best of both to enhance customer and employee experiences. When we focus on the why behind our actions, the desire to build trust, foster loyalty, and create meaningful interactions, we unlock a powerful synergy between human touch and technological efficiency. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore the principles that will empower you to find that balance, to create a customer and employee experience that is both efficient and deeply human. Think about the last time you had a truly exceptional customer experience. Chances are it involved a human connection, a moment where someone listened to your needs, understood your concerns, and provided a solution tailored just for you. Technology is an incredible tool, but it can't replicate the empathy, intuition, and understanding that come naturally to us as human beings. There are moments in every customer journey where human interaction is not just preferred, it's essential. When a customer is facing a complex issue, grappling with a sensitive situation, or simply seeking reassurance and guidance, that's when human connection makes all the difference. It's about recognizing that behind every transaction, every interaction is a human being with real emotions and needs. By identifying these critical touchpoints in the customer journey, you can ensure that human interaction is prioritized when it matters most, building trust and loyalty that technology alone cannot achieve. Remember, people don't just buy products or services, they buy experiences, and the most memorable experiences are always those that make us feel seen, heard, and valued. Now, let's be clear, recognizing the importance of human interaction doesn't mean rejecting the power of technology. In fact, the right technology can empower your team to deliver even more impactful human connections. Imagine your customer-facing employees armed with real-time data, AI insights, and a complete history of each customer's journey at their fingertips. Instead of spending precious time gathering information, they can focus on what truly matters, understanding the individual needs, desires, and aspirations of the person in front of them. Technology can automate routine tasks, provide proactive support, and even anticipate customer needs before they arise. This frees up your team to focus on higher-level problem-solving, creative solutions, and building deeper, more meaningful relationships. It's about leveraging technology to enhance, not replace, the human element. When your team feels equipped and empowered by the tools at their disposal, they can bring their full energy and empathy to every interaction. This creates a virtuous cycle. Technology empowers your team delivers exceptional customer experiences, and those experiences foster lasting loyalty and advocacy for your brand. Automation is an incredible tool for efficiency, but it's important to use it strategically, always with the customer experience in mind. Think about the tasks that can be streamlined without sacrificing that human touch. Appointment scheduling, payment processing, order tracking, these are all areas where automation can save time and reduce friction for both your customers and your team. But remember, even these automated processes should be designed with a human-centric approach. Use clear, concise language that's easy to understand, provide multiple ways to connect with a human representative if needed, and personalize the experience whenever possible, using data and insights to tailor the interaction to each individual. The key is to find the sweet spot between automation and personalization. By automating routine tasks while preserving opportunities for meaningful human interaction, you create a seamless and satisfying experience that balances efficiency with empathy. Remember, the goal is not to eliminate human interaction altogether. It's to use automation strategically, freeing up your team to focus on the moments where their skills and compassion are most valuable. Chapter 4: Designing Technology for Humans. Have you ever felt frustrated by clunky software or a confusing website? It's a common experience, and it highlights a crucial point. Technology should be designed to serve humans, not the other way around. When designing or implementing any digital tool, prioritize user centricity. This means making the interface intuitive, the navigation seamless, and the overall experience as frictionless as possible. Think about the people who will be using this technology. Your customers, your employees, your partners. What are their needs? What are their pain points? How can you design this tool to make their lives easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable? Consider factors like accessibility, mobile friendliness, and ease of use. The more intuitive your technology, the more readily people will embrace it. And when people feel comfortable using your technology, they're more likely to engage, interact, and ultimately build a deeper connection with your brand. Remember, technology is a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how well it's designed and how easily it can be used to achieve its intended purpose. Chapter 5: AI with a human heart. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the way we interact with technology. And while AI-powered tools like chatbots and virtual assistants offer incredible potential for efficiency, it's crucial to use them thoughtfully and ethically. Think of AI as an extension of your team, a way to provide 24/7 support, answer common questions, and even offer personalized recommendations. But always remember that AI is not a replacement for human empathy and understanding. Design your AI interactions with clear boundaries and expectations. Be transparent about when customers are interacting with a bot versus a human. And most importantly, provide an easy and obvious way for customers to escalate to a human representative whenever they need to. When used effectively, AI can enhance the customer experience by providing quick and efficient solutions to common issues. But it's crucial to maintain a human-centric approach, ensuring that customers always feel heard, understood, and respected, even when interacting with a machine. Remember, AI should be used to augment, not replace, the human element. The goal is to create a seamless blend of technology and empathy, where AI handles the routine while humans focus on building meaningful connections. Chapter 6: Empowering your team in the digital age. As technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, it's more important than ever to equip your team with the skills and confidence to thrive in this digital landscape. Investing in training and development programs that help your employees understand, utilize, and adapt to new technologies is essential. This goes beyond simply teaching them how to use specific software or platforms. It's about fostering a culture of continuous learning, where your team feels empowered to explore new technologies, experiment with different approaches, and constantly seek ways to improve their skills. When your team feels confident and comfortable navigating the digital world, they can focus on what they do best: building relationships, solving problems, and delivering exceptional customer experiences. Remember, technology is constantly evolving. By fostering a culture of learning and adaptability, you empower your team to evolve alongside it, ensuring that they remain valuable assets in this ever-changing landscape. Chapter 7: Creating a seamless omnichannel experience. Today's customers interact with businesses across a multitude of channels: your website, your mobile app, social media, email, phone calls, and in-person interactions. And they expect a consistent, personalized experience across every touch point. This is where the concept of omnichannel comes in. It's about creating a seamless journey for your customers, regardless of how or where they choose to interact with your brand. Imagine a customer starts a conversation with a chatbot on your website, then transitions to email to provide more detailed information. Later, they call your customer support line to speak with a representative directly. In an omnichannel world, each of these interactions would be seamlessly connected. The customer wouldn't have to repeat their information or start the conversation from scratch each time they switch channels. This requires a robust technological infrastructure that can track customer interactions across all touchpoints and provide a unified view of the customer journey. But it also requires a shift in mindset, a commitment to putting the customer at the center of every interaction, regardless of the channel. Remember, omnichannel is not just about technology. It's about creating a customer-centric culture that prioritizes consistency, personalization, and a seamless experience across all touchpoints. Chapter 8: Building a culture of empathy and efficiency. In today's business environment, it's not enough to simply value efficiency. You need to create a culture that values both efficiency and empathy in equal measure. This starts with your leadership team. When leaders prioritize and model empathetic behavior, it cascades throughout the organization. Encourage open communication, active listening, and a genuine desire to understand the perspectives of others. Celebrate and reward employees who go above and beyond to help customers, even if it means bending the rules or taking a less efficient route. Make it clear that while efficiency is important, It should never come at the expense of compassion, understanding, and a genuine desire to build meaningful connections with customers. Remember, your company culture is a reflection of your values. By prioritizing empathy alongside efficiency, you create an environment where both your employees and your customers feel valued, respected, and understood. Chapter 9. The power of feedback in a tech-driven world. In a world driven by data and technology, it's easy to get caught up in metrics and forget the importance of human feedback. But feedback, both from your customers and your employees, is essential for continuous improvement. Regularly solicit feedback on both your digital and human interactions. Ask your customers what's working well, what could be improved, and how you can create a more seamless and satisfying experience. Listen to your employees on the front lines. They're the ones interacting with customers daily, and they have invaluable insights into the pain points, frustrations, and opportunities for improvement. Use this feedback to inform your technology roadmap, your training programs, and your overall customer experience strategy. Remember, feedback is a gift. It's an opportunity to learn, grow, and continuously improve your approach to balancing human touch with technological efficiency. By creating a culture of feedback and continuous improvement, you ensure that you're always adapting to the evolving needs of your customers and your employees. Chapter 10. Measuring what matters. Beyond the numbers. In today's data-driven world, it's tempting to focus solely on quantitative metrics like response time, resolution rate, and cost savings. And while these metrics are important indicators of efficiency, they only tell part of the story. To truly understand the impact of your efforts, you need to look beyond the numbers and measure the human element of your customer experience. This means tracking metrics like customer satisfaction, Net Promoter Score, NPS, and customer lifetime value. These qualitative metrics provide insights into how your customers feel about their interactions with your brand, how valued, how understood, how connected they feel. By measuring both efficiency and relationship metrics, you gain a holistic view of your performance. You can identify areas where technology is enhancing the customer experience and areas where it might be creating unintended friction. Remember, the goal is not just to be efficient, it's to be effective. And effectiveness requires a balance of both technological prowess and human understanding. Outro, the power of balance. By balancing human touch with technological efficiency, you can create a seamless, satisfying, and impactful experience for both customers and employees. Remember, it's not about choosing one over the other, it's about understanding the strengths of each and leveraging them in harmony. When you prioritize the human element, empathy, connection, and understanding, you create experiences that resonate on a deeper level, fostering loyalty and advocacy that transcends mere transactions. And when you leverage technology strategically, you empower your team to deliver those experiences with greater efficiency and personalization than ever before. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on optimizing your business strategies. Let's continue the conversation in the comments below. Share your thoughts on balancing human touch with technological efficiency in your own organization.